Let's go ahead and get this stuff opened up, huh? What up, you guys? Hey, welcome back to the lab, man. I'm Matt. This is O'Malley's Morphs. Sorry it's been a minute since we've even made a video. Like, shit has been so busy at the shop, you know, the tattoo shop. You wouldn't think in the middle of an pandemic or whatever, you know, is going on. You know, everybody has their own opinion, but I'm just saying, you wouldn't think everybody would be rushing to tourist areas to get tattooed, but they are. Like, I'm booked out till mid-November, 1st of November area, you know, so, but we have had so much stuff that I have just kind of been collecting because I wanted to really do an appreciation video for everybody that sent us stuff, man. So there's a couple in here that I am so stoked on. I mean, I'm stoked on anything we get in the mail. You know, my mailman always writes O'Malley's Morphs question mark all over my shit. Like, what the fuck is this? So you guys, I'm so glad, you know, that you're here. Oh my god. Yo. Look how long my hair is. Been a minute, huh? Give your boy 1 second, okay? Alright, so I feel a lot better. Alright. Sorry about that, man. It had been a while, like I said. Now, I am obviously born and bred in Appalachia, but, you know, being too grizzly is not my thing. Letting myself go there. Oh, man. Super stoked on this. You never know, man. This is from... Now, I'm going to put links to all my homies' stuff in the description, you guys, so make sure you check that out. All these folks are good people, man. Chris, my homeboy at Heliguy Serpents, got that little nice thing on the back there. Y'all next level motherfuckers, man. Ooh, that two-tone on the back. Damn. I'm digging that. Chris, thanks, man. Finally got my Heliguy shirt. Word. So, I think... So, we'll go ahead and fold them. Just because I am a folder. Oh, what do we got here? Now this, I am fairly stoked on. Because this dude has been straight up like family, and it happened fairly quick, to be honest. We're both Wu-Tang fans, so that happens, you know. Wu-Tang fans are like that. I've been waiting to open this motherfucker. Ooh, I got my stickers, man. Yo, MJ, if you don't know about the Trap Talk sessions, I don't know how the fuck you got here. And you don't know about hashtag fuck Bob fucking Smith, right? Yo. Man, I love that shit, bro. Thank you so much, obviously. Pretty upset I didn't get fucking stickers. Yeah, I don't know, bro. think on the way between like your house and mine, or you just forgot my sticker, man. It's alright. Alright. Let's keep it going. So, now this is next level shit, man. I saw this. Honestly, the first person I saw do this was the next dude who sent me a shirt that I did a shirt swap with. That's just next level shit. Like, you know, you gotta be on your shit to fucking have bags with your names on. Like, I thought, you know, the tape on the boxes was dope, but this shit. And by the way, Steve, if you don't know who Steve Winkler is, man, he produces some amazing ball pythons. He's one of my homies in the short tail field as well. You guys go give fucking. Oh, and it's a gilding just like mine. Fucking yes. Look at that. Steve. Bro, thank you so much. Already got a couple Steve stickers. Most of y'all that send me stickers, man, I don't know if you know this, but they go to the tattoo shop with me. So, super pumped to have my Steve Winkler shirt, man. Man, these crazy motherfuckers rolling fucking razors and shit. God, you'd think a fucking man-child lived here. So, like I said, this was the first person I ever saw put, you know, fucking his logo on. I don't know how y'all are only paying $4 for shipping. Maybe I need to fucking get on this shit. Huh, I might be hitting you up. Anyway, yeah, man. But grab your balls. Get this shit open here. Oh, bro. I can't believe this motherfucker put this. Oh. He even asked me what color and sent me the color I wanted. Unreal. That green. Tell me that shit ain't fucking sexy as fuck. Every one of them was next level besides the one. Me and those short tail guys are like, fuck that shit. We got fucking, we're huge. Yo. Wait till you see these stickers, man. And I've been slacking, I'll be for real, I've been slacking like a motherfucker just because it has been so busy, man. I mean, here, with breeding season has started. I mean, you know, things are looking like they're already pregnant from pairing from earlier this year. So I don't know if we're going to have a season or if it's just going to be a constant thing. But top notch, man, top notch. And again, everybody's stuff is going to be in the description below. Look at that. And a little magnet. It's not metal. Alright. So, this is a bunch of sticker swaps. PPP. I agree to so many damn sticker swaps, man. And then I fucking feel like an asshole because I get behind and like I don't send them. So this weekend I'm taking a whole day and I'm going to send everybody their stickers. I'm going to send everybody their shirts. Oh, fucking A, man. This is my homeboy patent pending, dude. This is the dude. Oh! I was kind of, to be honest with you, a little bit more excited about that. This dude, patent pending, fucking, I mean, man, I reached out to old boy whenever he kind of made a little stand video that I thought was pretty cool. You don't fuck with Tennessee boys, you know? I mean, that's just how it is. But he breeds ball pythons. I'm not sure what else he has, but he also, like, trains dogs, and he breeds cane corsos. Now, if you know what a cane corso is, I mean, that's a badass dude. A cane corso is like a Fila Brasileiro, which is a fucking badass dog. If you're into fucking, like, you know, self-protection type dogs type shit, yo, hit him up for some cane corsos. Cane corsos are the shit. One of my favorite dogs, man. Always has been. Always has been. So this is from Sam and Alma. Angels? Dragons. Oh. Look at that. We will definitely get these sent out. Like I said, man, I am super fucking busy tattooing, and you know, Liam's been fucking sick, man. And I definitely don't want to forget. I opened this already, the homie at 41 South Python. Yeah, man. You guys are the shit, man. And I feel like a total bag of shit because I haven't gotten these stickers back out. So, I promise that maybe I need a new razor. Cutting a fucking shitload of short-tailed paper with that one. You guys remind me to flip that razor over. Oh man, this is from Josh. Holy shit, bro. Thank you so much. Oh, I have some? I could have sworn I had some Spartan Reptile stickers, man. That's... Dude, you guys don't know Josh at Spartan, man. He's the man. Always shows so much support, you know, to us Southern guys, which we definitely appreciate. Because I don't think, you know, this well, there's multiple people in the South that get loads of appreciation, actually. Martinez, California, fuck yeah, this just says Amanda. But it says Valley. So, hope you guys aren't getting bored, man. I don't really do much editing, cutting out and pasting and all that shit. We just film it. It is what it is. I hope I don't tear your paper, man. Ah. How do you work these? It's so flimsy. You'd think I'd never opened a fucking piece of mail before. What a fucking cool sticker. I have some lesbian friends that I am giving one of these to. Oh man. Okay. So this is from Amanda Crosby at Amanda's Balls. We will post all the description to her information in the description and everything. Look at this sticker. Oh my god. Can you read it? Oh shit. It says, hey guys, some girls have balls too. Fucking right, dude. I think this shit is so dope. Awesome. So we're gonna get everybody their sticker sent back out. You know, I hope we haven't pissed too many people off with, you know, delays and shit. And man, you know, I'm not trying to be a cocksucker. I get lost. But this one right here, this one is pretty wild because this was actually lost in Sarah's car. And these people, you know, we were supposed to do this swap, and I just don't know what happened to it. I mean, like, and Sarah brings this to me, and she's like, here's this crunched up piece of paper envelope, and she's like, this was in my car. So, man, huge shout out, and I'm so sorry, you guys. But huge shout out to Rat Reptiles, Jarrett down there in Cali. Thank you, man, so much for all the stickers. I'm probably, honestly, dude, because you probably think I'm just some asshole, I'm probably going to reach out to you and see if I can send you a shirt or something, man, just because I feel pretty bad that this has been like in her car forever. So yeah, about that, man. You guys, thank you so much for everybody that reaches out to us that wants to give us stickers, you know, switch shirts, whatever, man. I'm all about that. We have to support each other, you know, because there's so many people that don't really support what we do anyway. So supporting each other is a huge thing. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, you know. Before I take off, man, I want to make sure you guys see, you guys know my good friend Matt Young, Matty, and fucking King Parrot, the lead singer of King Parrot. I've told you in the videos in the past, if you're into metal, like heavy metal, death metal type stuff, definitely check out King Parrot, okay? One of the coolest dudes I've met. We like send pictures of our kids to each other and shit. But this is his new kind of grindcore type thing. If you're into faster paced punk rock style metal, definitely check out Crisis Act, man. Because their new fucking 10-inch, 11 songs, 11 minutes, that shit's nuts. This came straight from fucking Australia. My homeboy sent it. Thank you so much, Maddie. If you watch this shit, man, thank you so much. You guys, so we're going to get to it. I'm going to make sure all these stickers get returned. I'm going to make sure all the shirts I owe, I think. Oh, I know I got to send my homeboy. I grab your balls, your shirt. It's been so long, I might send you two. I don't know. Oh man, it's just been busy as shit, man, you know, so thank you everybody who still, regardless after all this time, shows us love, shows us support. You know, I'm humbled, I'm continually humbled. I mean, I'll forever be a dude in a 10 by 10 room with a ring light and a busted phone. That's just gonna be me, man. So you guys, PMA, take care of yourself, support your brother. Man, I'm out. Peace, y'all.